मैम
Yes.
मैम ये ऑक्टेट हेक्साडेसिमल कहाँ पे यूज होता है?
Yeah, we'll cover it. Wait. Today we'll cover first conversion and then we will see the use. Yeah. So today we will cover the conversion between decimal and the binary number system. Now consider the example of any number, say 22. So 22 is represented as a number with base 10. Base 10 represents that this number is in which number system? Who will tell me?
Binary. No, ma'am.
Then
Decimal.
correct.
Ma'am, decimal.
Decimal.
Yes,
Decimal.
yes. So this represents the decimal number system, and now it will be converted into binary one. So the method which is used is known as division method. Consider this number as a 22, and now I will start dividing this number by 2. So 2 ones are 2 and again 2 ones are 2. Remainder is 0. Now here it's 11 and now again I will divide this by 2. So what will be the result? 2 5s are 10, 1 is the remainder. Now again I will divide by the 2, 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. Again I will divide by 2 unless and until I get here 0. So again 2 ones are 2 and remainder is 0. Now it's 1 here. That's why here quotient will be 0 and remainder will be 1. So I will collect all these remainders in the reverse order. Remember, if you are writing like this in the forward or in the ascending order as you get the remainder, that will be incorrect answer. So remember the direction of this arrow and you will collect all these number in the reverse order. So what will be the result? Result will be 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. And now I will write it in the same order. Say this is 1, this is 0, after that there is a 1, again 1 and then 0. So 22 number which is in decimal number system is now converted into which number as a binary one?
Huh?
Aisha?
Ma'am.
मैम मेरे को समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है.
नहीं आ
Yes,
रहा?
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, why are you dividing the number by 2?
Because we want to convert it into binary number system. What is the base of that number system?
1 and 0.
It's 2.
2.
That's why we are dividing it by 2. Okay? Again pay attention.
Okay,
See,
ma'am.
this is 22 and you are dividing by 2. So what will be result here? Tell me, Jasmine.
What, ma'am? Can you repeat?
If the number is 22 and you are dividing it by 2, what will be the result? Don't tell me now
Ma'am,
that I am
11.
going to tell, I am supposed to teach you division. Yeah,
Ma'am,
result will
11.
be 11 and remainder will be,
0.
yeah, correct. Now Aisha, tell me that you are dividing 11 by 2. What will be the result?
मैम 5.
And remainder is,
1.
yeah. Now next student, Sneha, tell me, you are dividing 5 by 2. What will be the result?
मैम 2.
And remainder?
1.
Yes. Next, Swagat, tell me, you are dividing 2 by 2. What will be result?
1.
1. And remainder will be
0.
0. Now you are dividing 1 by 2. What will be result? 0. And remainder will be, Jasmine?
Ma'am, 1.
1. So this is about the conversion, and then you will collect remainder in the reverse order. Yes, Neha, collect all the numbers in reverse order.
Yes, ma'am.
1, 0.
Ma'am, 10110.
Correct. So this number represents the binary number, which is equivalent
Ma'am?
of 22. Yes, Suchismita, tell me what is the equivalent of 22 in binary?
Ma'am, 10110 base 2.
Correct. So this represents the conversion. And here we divided the number by 2 because base of the number system is 2. So remember like that. Now another number system is hexadecimal. Yes, Shrisha, read the characteristics of hexadecimal number system.
16 symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 A, B, C, D, E, F.
Correct. Now this represents base 16. It means the number is in hexadecimal number system, and each digit has its own positional value. That's why if you are writing A13D to the base 16, it's not equal to 3D A116. It means you can't change the position of the numbers. Yes, Trisha, continue.
Positional A13D base 16 not equal to 3DA1 base 16. Computer programmers often use the hexadecimal number system. Why? Computers only work on the binary number system. The hexadecimal number system is commonly used to describe locations in computer memory. They are also used in assembly language instructions.
Correct. So this is the answer of Anshuman's question. Is it right, Anshuman?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So hexadecimal number system is used to describe the locations in a computer memory, and it is also used in the assembly language. So remember both the applications of hexadecimal number system. So this is the decimal hexadecimal equivalence. For example, if the number is 0, what will be its equivalent in hexadecimal, Anshuman?
Yes, 0.
0. For 1, 1. Correct. Yeah, I get. Yes, Bipasha, unmute yourself. Yeah. Anshuman, mute yourself. Yeah,
Ma'am.
Bipasha, read the equivalent numbers from decimal to hexadecimal.
Yes,
Up
ma'am.
to 15. Yes.
Ma'am, decimal 0, hexadecimal 0, decimal 1, hexadecimal 1, decimal 2, hexadecimal 2, decimal 3, hexadecimal 3, decimal 4, hexadecimal 4, decimal 5, hexadecimal 5, decimal 6, hexadecimal 6, decimal 7, hexadecimal 7, decimal 8, hexadecimal 8. Decimal 9, hexadecimal 9, decimal 10, hexadecimal 8, decimal
Yes, so remember from this point, once you start with 10, it starts from your alphabets. Is it? Yes. Continue.
decimal 11, hexadecimal B, decimal 12, hexadecimal C, decimal 13, hexadecimal D, decimal 14, hexadecimal E, decimal 15, hexadecimal F.
Correct. So these are the equivalent of decimal numbers to their hexadecimal number system. And 16 onwards, we will see how will the conversion take place. Yes. Now consider that this is a number 25 to the base 60. Okay. Yeah. Consider this as a 25 as a decimal number system. So how will you split that number as a power of 10? Yes. So who will answer me? Please let me know your names. Yes, Sujismita, you can.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 2 into 16 to the power 1 plus 5 into 16 to the power 0. 16 to the power is 16. 16 into 2, 32 plus 5 equals to 37.
Yes, so you explained directly the hexadecimal number. Okay, what was my question, Suchismita? Instead of considering 25 as a hexadecimal number, consider 25 as a decimal number. Is it clear, Suchismita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so now instead of explaining that thing as a power of 16, explain it as a power of 10. Consider 25 as a decimal number and answer. How will
Ma'am,
you write it?
convert किस
Don't convert. See, 25 is a decimal number. So what is the base of that number?
10.
10, correct. So, yes. So 25 is a decimal number. So its base is 10. So how will I split it? 2 into 10 to the power 2 plus 5 into 10 to the power
10 to the power 1.
correct. So this is the answer that was expected considering 25 as
मैम
decimal.
गलत है
मैम गलत है मैम वो जो मैम लिखे हैं 2 into 1 होगा मैम हेलो
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am,
वो
2
जो
into
लिखे
10 to the power 1
फिर 1
plus
होगा
5 into 10 to the power 0.
Correct. Very good. It means you are paying attention. Who was that student?
मैम सौम्यकांत
Very good, Samya Ranjan. So this is about 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1. So what will be the next step? 20 plus 5. And what will be the result? 25. Is it clear to you if this is as a decimal number? It means its base is 10. Consider this as a base. Okay. Now, if this number is a hexadecimal number, it means its base is Anshuman. Base will be 16. So now 2 into Soumya Ranjan. Yes, answer. 2 into 16.
मैम
Rest.
2 into 16 to the power 1
Very
plus
good.
5 into 16 to the power 0
Very good. 16 to the power 0. Correct.
0
Next step will be 2 into
16 plus 5 into 1
5 into 1. Correct. So that will be
that 32 plus 5 37
2 plus 5 will be 37.
37
So this will be what? Decimal number. And this is what? Hexadecimal number. Is it clear? So 25 is converted into 37. See the result. Here it was 25 and it's now 37. So this represents the conversion. Now you are supposed to convert from decimal to hexadecimal. So in this case, how will you convert it? In the first case, you use the multiplication, but now you will use the reverse operation. That is, instead of using multiplication, you will use the division. And division by what? 60. As in this case, you divide it by which number? Aisha, for binary you used which number?
Ma'am, 2.
2, correct. So for hexadecimal, which number will be used?
Ma'am, 16.
16, correct. So you will use 16. 16 twos are Aisha?
Ma'am, 32.
Yeah, so remainder is? So what is the remainder?
Ma'am, 5.
5, correct.
5.
Correct. So that's about the remainder. You will keep remainder here and you will take these 2 again. You will divide it by 16. So what will be the result? 0. And remainder will be? Somewhere Ranjan?
Yes, ma'am.
Remainder will be?
2.
2. And now you will collect the remainder in the reverse order. So what will be result?
Ma'am.
What is
2,
the
5.
result? 2, 5. Correct. So that is about the
Yes.
conversion. So this is 25. Yes. Now we'll see how will you convert binary to hexadecimal. Yes, first I want to check your understanding. Okay. Yeah. So I will ask, yes. Bipasha, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, explain this conversion 22.
22 divided by 2 is equal 22 divided by 2, that is 11, remainder 0. 22 divided by 11, 2 divided by 11 is equal to 5, remainder 1. 2 divided by 5
It is 5
equal
divided
to
by 2. Why are
Sorry,
you
ma'am.
saying? Huh?
5 divided by 2, remainder 1. Then 2 divided by 2, remainder 1.
Okay,
Then
then
1 divided by 2, 0.
tell me the conversion. What will be the result?
मैम 22 मैम वो जो डेसिमल से मैम वो क्या बाइनरी
Huh, yes. Tell me the binary equivalent.
मैम रिवर्सिबल दैट इज 1 0 1 1 0 मैम रिडक्स 2
Very good. To the base 2, not index. Yes. Now, another student, Amrishita, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, explain this 25.
In this, we have to convert it in hexadecimal. 25 base 16 equal to 2 into 16 to the power 1 plus 5 into 16 to the power 0 equal to 32 plus 5 equal to 37.
Yeah, which number is hexadecimal?
Ma'am, 25 base 16.
Yeah, and this 37 is now which one?
And it is decimal.
Correct. Very good. Yes, now Saraswati, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this conversion 37.
37 by 16 equals to 2R5. 2 by 16 equals to 0R2.
What is R? Tell me that this is a remainder. Okay? Yeah, and what is the equivalent of 37 in hexadecimal?
25 to the base 16.
Correct answer. Yes. Now consider this as a hexadecimal number and this as a binary number and you want to convert it to a hexadecimal. So remember this thing that whenever you want to convert binary to hexadecimal, you will split it as a group of 4. So split this as this last 4 as a one group, remaining 4 as the remaining group. So this represents 0 1 1 0. So 0 1 1 0. This is a binary. Tell me its equivalent decimal number. How will you calculate it? 0 1 1 0. So in this case again you will use the power method. So last one will be 2 to the power 0. Then 2 to the power 1. And this one will be 2 to the power 2. And what are the number? Anyway, this is 0, so we can remove that. So this will be 1 into this number plus 1 into this number plus, and this last number is a 0. 0 into this number. Yes, so Jasmita, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So have you understood what is this 2 into 2? That is 2 square.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, why? This is a binary number system and you want to convert it into a decimal. So tell me the next step.
1 into 4 plus 1 into 2
Hmm?
equals to 4 plus 2 equals to 6.
That will be 4 plus 2 will be 6. So this is the
6.
way to convert binary number to a which number? So just make
Decimal.
the decimal. So this is how 110 is converted to 6. See, this 0110 is converted to 6. Now the next one is 1010. So this is 1010. Again this is binary. Now Anshuman will tell me 1 into 2 to the power. Which number, Anshuman?
Yes, ma'am. 1 into 2 to the power.
Yes, Anshuman, your voice is not audible. Shrisha? Aisha?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is 1 into 2 to the power 3.
Very good, Aisha. Next.
1 into 2 to the power 2.
No, it's
Sorry, ma'am. 0.
Ha.
Sorry, ma'am.
0 into
2 to the power 2
2. Very good. Next.
plus 1 into 2 to the power 1
Correct. After that.
plus into 2 to the power 0.
To the power 0. Correct. So now tell me the next step. 1 into
8
8.
plus 0
Very good.
plus 2
Very good.
plus 0
Correct. So the result
is
is
10.
10. And 10 is a number belonging to which number system?
Decimal.
Correct. So you will write result as 1010 to the base 2 equals to 10 in decimal number system. Remember to write the 10 as a subscript. Okay. Is it there? No, it's in MS Word. I hope you know how to write the base of the number system. Is it, Aisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So that's about the... Yeah. Now one more thing. Here we wrote 10. No, it's... Yeah. 10 in the decimal. But actually, we are supposed to convert it to a hexadecimal number system. So is there 10 in hexadecimal number system, Aisha?
Ma'am?
Is there 10 in hexadecimal number system? After 9, what is the number in hexadecimal number system?
A, B, C, D.
Correct. So in hexadecimal, A corresponds to 10. So whenever you want to write 10 in hexadecimal, you will write this as a A. So this is equivalent to A to the base 16. Is it clear, Aisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So that's why it's A here. Similarly, here last money is 1. So its answer will be 1. And now, whenever you want to convert this binary to hexadecimal, you will write all these numbers in the reverse order. So result will be 1A6. What will be result, Anshuman? Bipasha, what will be the result? 1
Yes, ma'am.
1 A.
The
Yes,
A6, then ma'am base 16.
very good, correct. So that's about the conversion from binary to a hexadecimal number system. See, all of you need to practice it at home and then you will understand it in a better way. So I will share the notes. Everyone, please start conversion in your classwork notebook. Okay, so that is the end of the today's session.